Born on May 5, 1936 in Haryana, Major Hoshiar Singh epitomized bravery and dedication to his country. Renowned for his pivotal role in the Battle of Basantar, he displayed unmatched courage and leadership. Despite sustaining injuries, he fearlessly led his contingent, compelling the Pakistani forces to retreat. During the 1971 India-Pakistan War, Major Hoshiar Singh's 3rd Battalion of the Grenadier Regiment faced the daunting task of constructing a bridge over the Basanta River, heavily guarded by Pakistani forces. Undeterred by the odds, he led his men forward, engaging in fierce combat. Even when severely wounded in a subsequent attack, his spirit remained unbroken as he rallied his troops to victory. Major Hoshiar Singh's unwavering determination and gallantry earned him the Param Veer Chakra, India's highest military honor. After a distinguished career, he retired as a brigadier, leaving behind a legacy of valor and selflessness. He passed away on December 6, 1998, leaving a lasting imprint on the annals of the Indian military history. Gyani Zail Singh, born on May 5, 1916, in Punjab, served as the 7th President of India from July 25, 1982 to July 25, 1987. As the first Sikh to hold this esteemed position, he was deeply respected for his profound knowledge of the Guru Granth Sahib, earning him the title Gyani. While Zail Singh shared a close affiliation with the Congress Party, his tenure was marked by notable differences with the Gandhi family, particularly during the reigns of both Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. Interestingly, Zail Singh's introduction of Bhindranwale to Indira Gandhi aimed to quell rising demands for Khalistan in Punjab, unaware of the consequences that would follow. Tragically, Bhindranwale's subsequent promotion of separatism led to a rift in Zail Singh's relationship with the Congress. Despite rumors suggesting his soft stance towards radical terrorists, Zail Singh claimed ignorance of Operation Blue Star, the military action that ultimately resulted in Bhindranwale's demise. The lack of communication regarding this operation strained Zail Singh's ties with the party even further. His life met a tragic end on December 25, 1994, following a severe car accident in Punjab, leaving behind a complex legacy intertwined with Indian political history. On May 5, 2017, India bid farewell to Leela Seth, the trailblazing first female Chief Justice of a High Court, who was affectionately known as the Mother of Law. Born on October 20, 1930 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, her journey from stenographer to a pioneering legal luminary is an inspiration. In 1978, Seth made history by becoming a judge in the Delhi High Court. Her remarkable career trajectory continued when she ascended to the position of Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court, marking a significant milestone for women in Indian judiciary. Beyond her judicial duties, Seth's contribution extended to pivotal roles, including her involvement in the Justice Verma Committee, convened in response to the tragic Nirbhaya gang rape case. Her dedication to justice and gender equality left an indelible mark on India's legal landscape. Leela Seth's legacy transcends her judicial achievements, embodying resilience, determination, and a steadfast commitment to upholding the principle of law and justice.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
The ministry offices in Luton's Delhi, Hotel Janapath, as well as airport terminals. Granite Studio India, with its prestigious brands, rich experience, and the trust of our clients, can be your reliable partner. We are here for you, for innovating, processing, supplying, and executing in stone. Contact us today for our special sample kit.
On May 5, 2017, the Indian Space Research Organisation, or ISRO, achieved a significant milestone with the successful launch of the South Asia satellite GSAT-9. Weighing 2,230 kg, this satellite was carried into orbit by a GSLV F-09 rocket from Sriharikota. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed this achievement as historic, underscoring its potential to greatly benefit South Asia and the broader region. The primary objective of the South Asia satellite was to enhance telecommunication capabilities, providing vital services to India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and Afghanistan. This launch symbolized India's commitment to regional cooperation and technological advancement, fostering connectivity and collaboration across borders. On May 5, 1961, American astronaut Alan Shepard etched his name in history as the first American to journey into space aboard the Freedom 7 spacecraft, lifting off from Florida. Despite being temporarily grounded due to ear problems, Shepard's pioneering flight marked a monumental achievement for NASA. Recognizing his remarkable contributions, NASA honored Shepard with the Distinguished Service Medal just 3 days later. Transitioning to a leadership role, he assumed charge of the Astronaut's Office in 1963, overseeing critical aspects of astronautical activities until 1973. After undergoing successful ear surgery, Shepard returned to space as the commander of Apollo 14, becoming NASA's oldest space traveler. During this mission, he made history once more by playing golf on the lunar surface, marking Apollo 14 as the first scientific expedition to officially land on the moon. Alan Shepard's legacy as a space exploration pioneer continues to inspire generations. Born on May 5, 1818 in Germany, Karl Marx remains a polarizing figure, revered by some as the champion of the left, while criticized by others for the tumultuous legacy associated with leftist movements. His influential ideas laid the groundwork for socialist and communist ideologies, sparking revolutions worldwide. The Russian Revolution of 1917, inspired by Marxist principles, led to the overthrow of Tsarist regime by Vladimir Lenin, establishing a proletarian government. This event catalyzed the spread of communism to numerous nations. However, detractors point to the Berlin Wall as a stark reminder of the division and strife often associated with leftist regimes. Additionally, criticisms of Marx's personal life, including allegations of mistreatment towards those close to him, challenged his revolutionary image. Similar controversies surrounded his disciples such as Mao Zedong and Fidel Castro, underscoring the complex and contentious nature of Marxist ideology and its impact on history. Napoleon Bonaparte, also known as Napoleon I, passed away on May 5, 1821, leaving behind a legacy that resonates through history. His formidable leadership during the French Revolution catapulted him to prominence, commanding admiration from rulers across Europe. Among those influenced by Napoleon was Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore, who sought his assistance in the struggle against British colonial rule in India. Napoleon pledged support to Tipu Sultan, intending to dispatch troops from Egypt to aid the cause. However, Tipu Sultan's demise in the last Anglo-Mysore War on May 4, 1799, severed the connection between Napoleon and India. Despite his ambitions to expand into Asia, Napoleon's Egyptian campaign faltered, preventing any realization of his proposed assistance to Tipu Sultan. Napoleon's aspirations to extend his influence into India were thwarted by historical events, leaving behind tales of what might have been had circumstances been different.